Hello my friends to my channel. Today we have for you an unboxing of this Bluedio wireless Bluetooth earbuds. The model name is T Elf 2. Well, let's see what we here have. Some specifications in more language. Bluetooth version of this earbuds is 5.0. Standard standby time about 1000 hours. Well, maybe not tested yet. Music talk time about 5-6 hours. Well, I think about 3-4 hours could be. Charging time about 1 hour for headphones, about 2 hours for charging box. Well, when you will charge this box, it takes you about 2 hours. Earbuds charging time is 2 hours. Input voltage current is 5 volts, about 100 milliamperes. Output power 7 milliwatts in both this. Well, you can see here this label. That means that this product is genuine and no fake. See, hologram, and there is a code. You must scratch down this and you will see the code and you can verify in Bluedio homepage. Well, let's unbox and see what we here have. By the way, the links for this product I will put in description below. If you want, you can check. I bought this for about $10, something, €8. There was a sale in AliExpress. So, well, this is the box. Let's take it. So, charging cable, about 10 centimeters long, and it has a, well, Type-C charging cable. For here another air tips, I think. Yes, this is air tips. You can change this to this. Okay, well, like ever, user manual, how to charge, how to use, and so on. Okay, this is the charging box. Here is some magnetic points where you can put this earbuds here. This is the earbuds itself. Well, for my purpose, this is very sensitive sensors here. When I want to put out of my ears these earbuds, every time I touch this and there is some settings, or volume down or volume up or shut down or something else. This is the earbuds itself. Yeah. Well, the music quality is not bad but not good. Well, this is not a JBL or other cool brands. This is a budget earbuds from Bluedio, and here we can charge, and here other charge, something like this, or not this, or maybe so. I think so. Yes, so right here and left, on left side. Now the blue indicator shows that it is not charging yet, or charging. Well, what can I say about this? Well, for this money, it's not bad. Quality is not so bad quality. In my opinion, this sensor is very, very sensitive. that's all. That was a quick review, not review, unboxing video of Bluedio T Elf 2 wireless earbuds. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe and put the thumbs up. So, thanks for watching.